Hello, my name is Kelly. I'm redoing this because I thought that this was an optional thing to use, but then I found out it was not, so I'm redoing my video. So I live in Tewksbury, Massachusetts, and I currently go to Simmons University. I'll be attending there in the fall. I just recently graduated from Merrimack College with my bachelor's in nutrition, and I am taking this class because it is a prerequisite for some of the classes that I'll be taking this fall. So it's going to help me get ahead of my program that I'm starting in the fall. It is a graduate program. My goals are to become a registered dietitian by 2021, so I am on my way there. I am an online coach full-time for a large online fitness team that handles bodybuilding coaching and general lifestyle coaching. And I do competitive bodybuilding myself. I am a bikini competitor, a nationally qualified one, and I'm training for my pro card so that I can turn professional within the sport of bodybuilding within my division. So that's kind of what I do. I live at home right now with my mom, and it's just me and her and my cats. And I am not a full-time student at the moment. I am working full-time online as well as taking this course. So that's what I'm doing, but I will be returning to school this fall full-time. So that is something I'm looking forward to. And the reason I'm taking this course pretty much is just because it's a prerequisite and I need it to get one step closer to becoming a registered dietitian. And I'm already currently in a graduate program, so I will not be applying to any other programs at this time. But I'm looking forward to learning a lot from this class. I have already kind of dived into the material and I really like it, honestly, so far. I think it will be challenging, but in a very good way. So I'm looking forward to the next few weeks, and I'm hoping to finish it up a little early so that way I can, hang out and just enjoy working and my little bit of summer break that I may have. So that's pretty much it. I'm sorry that I had to do this twice. I understand that that's probably going to affect things, but I wanted to get this out there. So thank you so much, and I look forward to taking this course.